In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an object move in Microsoft PowerPoint. We'll work in PowerPoint on the web and create a simple slide where two icons slide in from opposite sides. A clean effect you can reuse for images, text, or shapes. Start by signing into Outlook.com with your Microsoft account. From the left sidebar, open PowerPoint to launch the app. Choose Create Blank Presentation. On the Home tab, open the Layout menu and select Blank. Starting with a blank slide removes placeholders and gives you a clean canvas, which makes placing and animating objects easier. Now switch to the Insert tab. Decide what you want to move: an image, a text box, a shape, or an icon. For this demonstration, I'll use two icons. Open the Icons picker, choose any two that fit your theme, then click Insert. Place them on the slide and separate them so there's space between them. One position toward the left and the other toward the right. Spacing matters because it helps the motion read clearly when you preview. Next, go to the Animations tab, click the icon on the left to select it. Open the animation gallery and choose Peek In. Then open Effect Options and set it to From Left. This tells PowerPoint to bring that icon into view from the left edge, creating a smooth slide in rather than a simple fade. Now select the other icon on the right. Again, open the animation gallery, apply the same peek in effect, and in effect options choose from right. With this mirrored setup, one icon will slide in from the left while the other slides in from the right, meeting neatly toward the center or wherever you place them. To preview, click anywhere on the slide canvas. You should see both animations play, the left icon peeking in from the left and the right icon peeking in from the right. If they appear simultaneously and that suits your message, you're all set. If you prefer a staggered entrance or a slower pace, remember you can fine-tune timing, delay, and duration using the controls on the Animations tab without changing your layout, and that's the process. Start with a blank slide for clarity, insert your objects, position them with intention, and apply Peek In with the direction that matches your design. Click to preview as you go, and adjust positioning so the motion looks balanced and purposeful. When you're happy, save your presentation, and you're ready to present with engaging, professional-looking movement.